There's an old story almost forgotten about a group of porcupines who lived through the coldest winter the forest had ever known. As the temperatures dropped, instinct drew them together. They pressed close, desperate for warmth, for survival. But the closer they came, the more they wounded one another. Their sharp quills, meant for protection, now caused pain to those they needed most. So they pulled apart. Each one sat alone, isolated under the weight of snow and silence. And in that space, they found something even more unbearable than pain: the relentless, biting cold. Eventually, they returned to one another, hesitant, careful, wiser. They learned to stay close, close enough to share warmth, but not so close as to injure. It wasn't perfect. There was still discomfort, still the occasional sting. But they understood now. The warmth was worth it. In life, we are not so different. We all carry quills, sharp edges forged from past wounds, insecurities, fears. And often those closest to us are the ones we hurt and the ones who hurt us. So we pull away. We convince ourselves that being alone is protection, that keeping our distance brings calm. But the deeper truth is this: without connection, we freeze inside. We are meant for closeness, not perfect harmony, but understanding. Not frictionless love, but resilient companionship. Relationships will never be without discomfort, but in that discomfort, we grow. We learn to balance warmth and boundaries, closeness and space, love and self-awareness. So ask yourself, are there people in your life who might be worth the risk of a little discomfort in exchange for something much warmer? In the coldest winters of our lives, it's not perfection that keeps us alive. It's the love we share, not without struggle, but always with meaning.